Hey guys, it's your boy Joke. I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be making some pancakes because it's pancake day, and yeah, I really like pancakes, and I thought, what the heck, might as well make a video about it. But also, I just have to ask right now. I'm hoping to do Q&A in a few videos from now, so please comment down below some questions or go to my Discord server, link in the description, and ask me some questions there. So, please do that. That would, it would be a cool video, and I'm really hoping to do that. But without further ado, I think I need to go to the kitchen and make some pancakes. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm in the kitchen now, and I have my frying pan, my spatula to flip the pancake. I've got my pancake mix and my Aspic England natural mineral water, which is naturally filtered through ancient rocks in the Eden Valley, so it should make them super pancake. And it's dripping, that's not good. But also, I've got some oil here to help the pancake. So first of all, I'm gonna want to turn on the that's the wrong one. I'm gonna turn on this one. Yeah, I don't cook very much, as you can tell. Add a little bit of oil. Flip, but not too much, because if I add too much oil, oh no, too much oil is bad. Put that over there. Put the cup on that. And around the oil. And that is very hot. Like that might short circuit the camera, which I didn't consider. But what I will do is put a cold water next to it to like even out the, I don't know what I'm on about, but pancake mix. So wasn't it? Oh. It's got a look. That ain't good. Okay, that's done on real tight. Wait. Yeah, no guys, I'll be back in a sec after I figure out how to open this. BRB. Okay guys, I'm back and I've managed to get the lid off. That's very scary. I've got some cold Aspic water, which I'm just gonna put some of this in. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find a smaller cup. It's a Lego Batman cup, sue me. And if I do this right. That is all good. Okay, now guys, I need the lid, and I need to do that up back over here and shake it for 2 minutes. That just spilled and went all over my face. Now it's subscribe to the channel for more epic pancake making videos. I'm joking. I'll probably will never do this again until maybe next year. I might learn and make it with like eggs and stuff. But yeah, you can go subscribe to my mate NGC Plays as well. I mean, his videos are cool. I mean, they're much better edited than mine, but don't really care. It's not a competition. But yeah, go check him out and join my Discord, because I don't know, sometimes stuff happens on there, and I'm trying to work out how to add like bots to like go up levels and all that. But I'm currently in the process of figuring out how to do that, and hopefully I'll have a Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 2 video out soon, because I'm working on getting my capture card to record with my voice. Let me just move that off the heat source for a second. It's starting to smoke a bit. About to hit 2 minutes, and that is very hot. Wow. Shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky. Yeah, I don't know what I am doing. Intense shaking intensifies. That's been 2 minutes. So now I got the pan and I got the pancake mix, and I believe all I've got to do now is pancake onto the that's way too much pancake butter, but that is one big old pancake. Yeah, I'm going to leave that there to fizzle for a while. Actually, about pancakes, story time. I used to be a Cub Scout, so basically they do all sorts of stuff like wood stuff, but they also have like the huts where we go to. And like one time they were making pancakes with these like big canisters of gases and like proper pancake makers, and I made some pancakes. They're not really sure what the point of that story was, but I have made pancakes before, but never with the mixture thing, and also entirely by myself for YouTube. So I don't know. One like equals one prayer for me not to blow myself up. So you have to kind of wait for the whole front of it to kind of look the same consistency, and to get my spatula under. And did I? You know, you got to be joking me. No, I don't want. And the pancake, I just kind of, it stuck to itself. That was not what I wanted to happen, but I guess I'll just roll with it. It's a semicircular pancake. This is not good, and by the way, don't even start thinking I am not gonna flip it. That would be insanity. But I'm gonna add some Nutella to this, or Tesco's own version of Nutella, so yes, but actually no. But you know, it should be good. Yeah, I got thirsty. But this'll do. No, come on. But yeah, as you can see, I'm a professional pancake maker, just as I'm a professional pumpkin carver. So yeah, fun. But fizz. But I'm probably only going to get to make one pancake. This video is already up to 10 minutes. And I read on YouTube somewhere that, what I didn't read, I listened to it and also read an article about it, that apparently 10 minutes is the best time for a video because it's the best type of like time of video that keeps viewers watching. For the most amount of time, because 10-minute videos are watched for pretty much the entire time. So I'm gonna hit about 12 minutes and stop. So, you know, am I gonna flip it? No, I'm not gonna flip it. I am way too scared of burning my face off. And I don't say that because of the pancake, I mean because of like the hot oil. But that's pretty much, I think, almost that's done. So I'm gonna walk this over to my plate. Put this back on there. Turn that off and come on guys. Yeah, I'm just bringing you over here to see my very hot pancake. Do not see freshly hot. Let me just. Well, that's not working. Let me just raise it to you. My very hot, beautiful pancake. I'm gonna whip up some Tesco's own Nutella because let's just turn that down a bit. The sun seems to be negative. Not the sun, the blooming lamp. Big brain logic. But I just need flipping put all the Nutella. That burnt my fingers. Ow, ow, ow. You don't lather it in Nutella, or at least the own version of Nutella, because juicy. It's so hot. Like, no one tells you this when they tell you you're gonna make pancakes. Like, they're gonna be so. This is a very badly covered pancake, and I guess I'm gonna add a bit of sugar. And I know it's unhealthy, but it's what the doctor ordered. It makes it look pretty, but yes, I believe the pancake is a done. And just to prove that I'm not scared, I will try it myself. That's actually really good though, like, no joke, that's good. Well, I'm going to finish this off camera, and pretty much sums up the video. Give me Q&A questions, join my Discord server. Hope you enjoyed your pancake day, hope you have a great week. Oh, it's about 30 minutes, same as my age, I'm 13, wow, crazy. But yeah, pretty much sums up my video. So, yeah, remember to like, subscribe, smash that bell to be notified. And I'll see you guys around. Bye. Bye. That's still so good.